In this time, we will learn how to design simple part in SolidWorks. We have a drawing to dimension. We want to export from sketch to solid part. Okay, go to SolidWorks and at first select the front plane, right click and click sketch. In here we use the millimeter unit. So this part have a shape like cylinder. Yes, we want to use feature. The name is revolvers to make the part is easy and fast. And click sketch and select the center line. Draw sketch like this. Ensure the center line to make vertical and set for in here and set for the height, set smart dimension. Total the height of this part is 72 mm. Input 72 mm. Click enter like this. So we just to make a half of part because you want to make use the feature the name is revolvers. So draw line like this. Like this. Draw line like this, this, and this. Ensure this point and this center line is to make horizontal. This point and this point with this point, click to make horizontal like this. Then we can set ensure this point and this point to make vertical because in here have same thickness. We can see in here the center of hole have diameter 25. So this line to the center line is a half of 25 is 12.5 mm. Okay. Then this line and this center line we can see have diameter 29. So the half of 29 is 14.5 mm. Sorry. 14.5 mm. Like this. 14.5 mm. Then set the dimension in here. This line to this line have diameter 34. So the half of 34 is 17. Like this. Set this line have height is 7 mm. Just input 7. In here have thickness 5 mm and in here set in 15 mm like this. So ensure we input all the dimension like this, and in here have some chamfer and fillet, but we want to make in last after we sketch all the part like this. Then this length and the center length have in here the total diameter the total in here this one is 50. So the half of 50 is 25 mm like this. Then draw 3-point arc from this line to this length. Then set the dimension in here have radius 3 mm. This point to this center length have distance 23 like this. This point to this line have distance 3 mm like this. After that we can see again in here the sketch have a cut like this, shape like this. So just click 3-point arc, draw like this. Okay, set the dimension for in here have radius 1.5. so this weight is 3 mm because the radius is 1.5. Draw 3-point arc, this point to this point like this. Set the dimension in here 1-point arc, 1.5 mm for radius like this. So simple. We can do trim entities this length and set the dimension this length. Click shift on your keyboard. This half of circle in here we can see distance is 2 mm. Set in 2 mm like this. Then this line to this line have distance in here 5 mm. Input. We can see again in here have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shape like this, cut like this. the thickness bit width of cut is 2 millimeter. So we just to use linear sketch pattern. For adhesive pattern we can select this sketch, but in here we can change in 90 degree for angle. We can reverse direction in here, reverse direction. Set the distance in here in 5 millimeter, and number of instance we can change in 8 like this. 5 millimeter and 8. Just click OK. Then automatically the distance of each of the cut is 2 millimeter like this. You can check in here 2 millimeter. Appropriate this drawing. After that, don't forget in here have a cut like a slope angle is 3 degree. So make a line, draw from this point like this to this point. Then we can sketch again. Set the angle in here in 3 degree like this. Then we can to trim edit this length, this length, this length, this length, this length, and this length. Trim edit again, trim this length, and this length. Trim edit this length, this length, this length. Trim edit again, this length. Erase this length like this. Trim edit this length. Trim edit this length like this. This length, this length, this length, this length like this. And trim this length and this length and this length like this. Okay, it's so simple. After that, we just to make a sketch like this. About this drawing. So we just use the feature. The feature, the name is revolve boss. Click in here, and axis of revolution is center line. Automatically to make a part like this. Just click OK, and so simple like this drawing. But in here, don't forget in the top, right click and click sketch. Have a hole in here, 1, 2, 3, 4 hole. Click in here. Ensure the center of circle and this center of part to make horizontal. Then diameter set in 4 millimeter. Distance to center in here is a half of 40 is 20 millimeter like this. Then use the circle sketch pattern, and it is the sketch pattern. Click this circle is 4 parameter point in the center, and just click OK. We can see here the hole is until the bottom of the face. So we just to make a hole in the filling feature, the feature extrude cut. For direction we can change in through all. Select through all and click OK. And done. It's so simple like this. But in here, don't forget it has have a chamfer. Edge, and this edge is 1 by 45 degree. So select the chamfer in here, the fillet, and select the chamfer. Chamfer parameter we can change in 1 millimeter, 45 degree, and select this edge and this edge. Just click OK like this. Then don't forget to make in here like a fillet. The radius is 1 millimeter, so select a fillet. 500 we change in 1 millimeter. Item to fillet, click this face. Just click OK, and done. It's so simple. After that, we can to change the color like this. So revolve boss, maybe click this icon is red like this. Just click OK. Then we can select the cut, chamfer, and fillet. Click this icon, change the color like this is like dark or gray. Just click OK. Click this and change in gray like this, or black like this. Then we can do change again in here the face. cut in here like black like this, appropriate like this drawing. Okay, I hope this tutorial help you to make a simple part like this drawing. I apologize if there any mistake of error in this material. Thank you for very much for watching until this end video. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.